On Dashboard, you can update the content of different part of mobile app directly from Shopify, like home page, navigation, filters, pages, and you can also build a dynamic page. Let's set home page sections. On home page, you can add multiple types of section. Click Add Section button. Pop-up will show you all section types and each section has different display layout. Choose the section type. Click Section Card to edit. And the side card will show up. You can add image to display as banner. Write the banner name to display on the mobile app. Then you can link this banner with desired product fetched from store and the collection available in store, or the static page from the store. You can add more slides to each banner section. Just upload the desired info and click Save. Once saved, you can edit and update the content. Make sure to publish every time after saving. Thanks for watching.